So it's the 1st of July 2021, and this is very amazing. Probably the most amazing way to see all our ones, because the similar ones are at the generics on the other side. And it is Itäportti, Österporten, Forstekesville. We have also to get into the Stekes A later. This was built in 1970, a bit that I actually guessed, because I didn't think it would be 71, 70. They're 50 years old in last year, 2020, and the serial number is H18661 with force. This says 250 grams here. It's going to be inspected this year, 2021. It could have been made faster, but yeah, it's still amazing. Maybe the oldest original ones here. I don't know if they have 1969, but we will see.
Yeah.
But possibly the oldest original ones.
Yeah.
Because there are too many modernized ones in Olari.
Yeah.
Lars. This here in Espoo. Espoo close to Matikylä, but here in Helsinki, Espoo, Sweden, Uusimaa, and Finland. I like the sounds here.
Same here.
And the code was too difficult here, but we managed to get inside.
Yeah.
Then you can press. And then silent, right?
Yeah. Inspektionspaikki väistytään. Meidän paikka on.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's hope we'll get to the Stekes A as soon as possible.
That's it.